Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 81. Start. Number 1. From all I gather, comma, I believe that the bankers themselves favor increasing the average rate to 3% and in an unofficial manner they endeavored to influence the others to adopt this course. Full stop. Number 2. The author, comma, who had travelled up the Congo River through darkest Africa, comma, offered to speak to the gathering next Friday night. Full stop. Number 3. If only we receive the lessons of adversity in a proper manner, comma, they are likely to show us how to lead a useful, comma, honorable, comma, and successful life. Full stop. Number 4. We think you should not overlook the property being especially developed by ourselves near riverside manor. Full stop. We should very much like you to inspect what we have to offer before you decide to buy. Full stop. Number 5. Our new straws strike a fresh note in summer styles. Full stop. We think they are the most beautiful we have ever offered. Full stop. Number 6. We believe that we had more business through our policy of selling at low prices. Full stop. From this, you will see that it is essential to supply these items for as little as possible. Full stop. Number 7. We think that the figures you give in this estimate are incorrect. Full stop. Either there is an error in your figures, comma, or you are using the wrong grade of leather. Full stop. Number 8. Our enormous stocks have to be moved to make room for next season's goods. Full stop. Number 9. I think you should reflect carefully before you decide to accept their offer. Full stop. They expect a reply from you by next Thursday. Full stop.